Hi, welcome to AwkwardHamster. Today I'll be demonstrating how I set up an email notification and motion detection using the built-in Foscam software. Previously I did something similar with a third-party software called Vitamin D, but a number of my viewers and subscribers, they've been asking me to make one for just the Foscam software itself. These steps I'll be going through, they can be applied to any of the Foscam models, the FI-A918W, the FI-A910W, which is what I'll be using today, or even FI-A920W. It really does not matter. You can also use any web browser, any operating system, because it's all web-based. So first thing I'm going to do is let me just first log in to my Foscam here. And next I want to go to my administration page or device management page. Here I'm going to go to Mail Service Settings. Click here, and I'll be showing you how I fill all of these out. So for the sender, this will be myself. I'll be sending an email to these 4 receivers. And I don't have any receiver in mind right now, so I'll just put AwkwardHamster again. And for the SMTP server, I'm currently using Gmail. You can use anything you want. You can use Hotmail, you can use Yahoo. And for Gmail, their SMTP server is smtp.gmail.com. That simple. Now for the port. Yes, I know over here it's listed as 25 is okay, but for myself, I use 587. For some odd reason, I find that this one works for me. And for the transport layer security, choose Start TT, Start TOS. Need authentication? Yes. I check this box, then I put my email, then my password. Now, don't hit this test button yet. It says please set at first and then test. It should actually say please hit submit and then test, because if you hit test right now, test failed because the settings were never saved. So I'm going to hit submit first. Now hit test, and test succeed. Great. Basically, this email notification, it's all done. Let me just go to my Gmail. Let me load my Gmail, and right here, that's still 0 minutes ago. Okay, so this all works. And that's just basically just a test email. Now let's go back to the Foscam administration page, and now I'm going to set up my alarm service settings. So this one is for motion detection, and motion detect alarmed. Yes, I want that. Sensitivity, I'm just going to choose something in the midway point. I don't want it to be overly sensitive, or else I'll get a lot of false alarms. Motion compensation, I'm not really sure what this is, but I'll check it anyway. Send mail on alarm, yes, I want that. Upload image on alarm, yes, I want that too, because every time an alarm is triggered, the Foscam will take a couple of snapshots and it'll send me the images. Now, upload interval in seconds. Well, the lower limit is 0, obviously. The upper limit is like around 34,000 or so. So let me just put a very high number. And once I hit submit, it drops down to the highest limit, which is 34,463. Now for this box, scheduler, check this if you only want to turn on this motion detection in certain hours of the day or night. So let's say you know you're going to be out of your house or out of your office, say like 10 a.m. to like 2 p.m., 3 p.m. for example, or you can individually set them, because these are each cell is a 15-minute interval, so you can individually set them, or you can just clear it by clicking on the second row where it says clear. Now for this test, let me just turn these on, and I'm going to hit submit. Okay, alarm schedule success. Alright, basically that's it. I'm all done. Now let me just jump to Internet Explorer right now for a minute. Right here is Internet Explorer. Let me just log in. Alright, let me go to my administration page. Now, same as before, mail service settings, everything has already been configured. The alarm service settings, I've already configured everything. So as I mentioned, you can use any web browser you want. Now, there's one little catch. With Internet Explorer, because you're using ActiveX, if an alarm is triggered, only on Internet Explorer would allow you to save a snippet of the video to your computer. That feature is not offered on any of the other operating system or any of the other browsers, but it's only available on Internet Explorer. And to do that, you need to go to User Settings. So up here, User Settings, click on that. So User Settings, here's the Set Record Path. Currently I have it set to my ctemp folder. Set Alarm Record Path. Same thing, you can choose anywhere you want. You can choose your any drive you want, essentially. So I'm going to record just to ctemp. And let me go back to the Safari. On the Safari, let me also bring up User Settings. See how there is no option down here? So to record the video path, that's only available on Internet Explorer. Now, I don't personally use this because one of the main purposes of the Foscam is when you buy something like this, you want it to be operating on its own. You don't want to be relying on a computer. In order for this feature to work, you need to leave your Windows computer turned on. To me, it's counterproductive. If I'm going to actually record snippets of video, I wouldn't be using something like this. I'll be using like a Synology or Vitamin D or an actual security software, not just this. Alright, so let me go brush my hand in front of the Foscam just to trigger the alarm. And let's go back. So, okay. Alright, so I triggered the alarm. The alarm is going off. Okay, so the alarm is going off. Alright, fine. Okay, it's going off. Oh, so this is back at ctemp. So right here. It's, what is this right now? 12? Oh, it was 11:04 already. Okay. So this was the video that was just recorded. Let's play a clip of that. Let's hit play. Okay, so you see how there's a little delay. The moment I move my hand in front of it, I actually moved my hand in front of it like 3-4 times, but you only saw it twice there. So once the alarm is triggered, then it records a piece of it. It doesn't record a whole session. So it's a neat feature to have if you're just like a low budget shop, but personally I don't use it because I don't want to leave my computer on all the time. That's why. And oh, as for the email notification, let's go back to my inbox here, and I got one new mail. Motion alarm. So it took 6 images, and out of the 6 images, it caught my hand 3 times. Okay, well, I hope this was a very easy tutorial for everyone to follow. And just keep in mind, if you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions, feel free to send it to me. Well, thanks for watching AwkwardHamster. Bye.